Kuki-Zo Council held an official meeting with Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at the Conference Hall of District Commissioner's Office, Churachandpur District. The delegation laid 16-point demands ranging from developmental infrastructure to connectivity concerning Kuki-Zo inhabited areas. Among the 16 issues highlighted were urgent upgradation of electricity capacity for Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts, repair and maintenance of roads in Kuki-Zo areas, development of roads linking Churachandpur, Chandel, Kangpokpi, scrutiny of landslide concerns in Tipaimukh. Other demands include appointment of a neutral Advocate General in Manipur High Court, posting of a neutral Deputy Commissioner in Chandel, improvement of healthcare in More, establishment of an examination center for Manipur Public Service Commission in Kuki-Zo districts, rectification of jurisdictional anomalies in District Transport Office, Police Jurisdiction and Land Revenue Office. The council also raised the issue of salary arrears of 10 months for More College and Semco College in Tegnopal and Chandel, and unreliability of helicopter services in hill districts. The governor assured that all issues would be looked into with due priority. Later, Kuki-Zo Council also paid a courtesy visit to the Director General of Assam Rifles DGAR of 27 Sector Headquarters, Tuibong, where security matters of Kuki-Zos were discussed.